Hello, do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 15? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, subtraction number bonds, all that means is what two numbers subtracted together equal, in this case, 15. So you could have one like this, 20 take away 5. That's a great number bond because that equals 15. It's actually quite an easy one to do. So that's brilliant, that's a good one. Okay, what about this one? What about 17 take away 2? Does that equal 15? Yes, it does, well done. So that's another great one, okay? What about this one? You do this one on your own, okay? Is that a great number bond for 15? No, it's not, is it? Well done. Because that would equal 14. It's a bit too many. You're taking away too many. So in this case, you'd actually need to make it one less. So you make it 3, and then that would make 15. But that one is wrong, and these two are both correct. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!